If I ever took a loss, I learned a lesson. I won't ever think I'm.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jay, and I'm back with another reaction video. This reaction video is called Dog Food and Cereal Prank on Brother. So you guys, before you get to the video about trading them on, but you guys, please like and subscribe. They will be right here and right here. Yeah, guys, go do them too, you guys. You know. And you guys, if you have a request video for me, hit me up in my comment section, you guys. Go ahead and do that, drop a like, and you know, like that. So you guys, let's get to the video. But you guys, thank you for the subscribers. We got 140. If you're new to the subscribe, please like and subscribe, guys. Let's get to the video. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3.
Damn in it, drown.
See what our Mazy doing. If he doing what I think he doing, Reese's out. I gotta break. She doing my kneesy? On the phone chilling. On the phone chilling? What you got? What you trying on?
You about to go back to the kitchen?
Mm-hmm.
Let me some more cereal, bro.
Bro, no, bro. Why you always asking me to do stuff, bro? Do I like your maid, your personal servant?
Who's a weirdo, bro?
Right down, you guys.
I am finna go back, but bro, that mean I gotta come all the way back here.
Bro, just call me when it's done.
What you want, bro?
Reese's.
You just ate a bowl of Reese's. Look like.
Nigga, that little bitty ball, I'm a grown man.
Oh my. All right, bro. All right. Bro, chill out, bro. Treasy. Hey, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, nigga. Hurry up. Hey, bro. This nigga Armand just told me to refill his bowl with Reese's. But you know, we still got the dog food left from our dog.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what dog food look like? Reese's. So we go ahead and replace his junk with the dog food, bro. He over there, he on the phone and stuff. He ain't gonna be thinking. He ain't not thinking he finna get pranked. Trey, what are you doing, bro?
Remember this dance?
No, bro. But just follow me. Come on, you ain't thinking. Alright, Joe, we're gonna break this nigga. Our money's gonna go down, okay?
Bro, that.
It is just stunk. Put some Reese's on top.
Put just a little.
Guys, they is tripping.
That's enough.
You sure?
Yeah, that's enough. Because we need to taste the dog food. Right?
They just kill my boy, man.
Hey, bro, can I set the camera real quick? No. He said call him up here. He said call him up here when I'm done. Because I told him I didn't feel like bringing him the cereal when I was done. So I'm going to set the camera real quick. All right, let the You right. You, oh my God, this damn mode.
No, look. No. They was like a
we got the cereal done. I made them for you.
Oh, they so dirty for this prank, man.
Nigga, they nobody take all that to make no cereal, bro. You tweaking.
Oh, man, they not even want to eat cereal. Eat the cereal no more, bro.
I'm glad I even took my time to make them cereal, nigga, because you could came up here and did it by yourself.
What is corn still in the bowl?
I'm just saying, bro, you wrong.
She's a cornball, B. Facts. But yeah, but.
Yes! Prank time, guys.
Bro, Trey, get away from me doing all that extra junk, bro. What's wrong, bro? Say on? Huh?
Bro, what's wrong? You got that from
Oh, maybe the Reese's. Oh,
yeah,
Trey, you about to
Go ahead, Eve, look.
you about to Bro, you good, bro?
Bro. Hey, bro, get that, bro. Bro, get the my counter, bro.
Yeah, why would you get that out? Bro, maybe mouth out. I think the Reese's old. Trey, you take it out of Reese's, bro?
Yeah, bro. I got some for you.
Hold on, bro. I think the Reese's expired, Trey. We need to sue Walmart, bro. We need to sue them niggas, bro. Oh my God, the Reese's old as hell, bro.
He on my phone with this, bro.
Armeezy, bro. You don't have food poisoning, bro.
Drink a little bit.
What the fuck?
Bro.
Dishwashing detergent.
Dog. Hey, bro, I got food milk, bro.
Bro, you good, bro?
Bro.
Bro, do you just wash your mouth out with Tide?
Bro, this dog food, my nigga?
Huh?
Bro, why aren't you recording me?
Because, bro, we need to record all of this
No,
because
bro.
the Reese's...
Bro,
Bro, listen, bro.
No, bro.
I'm trying to tell you the Reese's old, bro.
Turn off the camera, bro.
Listen, okay, I mean, okay,
turn
listen,
off
bro.
the
It's
camera,
off, bro. It's off, bro. I'm trying to tell you the Reese's is old,
Bro,
bro.
y'all niggas stupid, bro. Stop playing.
Bro, you may want to clean out your mouth with some more of that detergent,
Bro.
bro.
Clean this off my damn counter because I'm tired of
Yeah, bro, what is all of that?
You look.
I don't know what's wrong with that, bro. I don't know. Maybe the Reese's was old. I just checked the expiration date. I just checked it right here.
It say this expired in 2012, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Ah, man, it's childish.
You good, bro? I'm just...
Bro. Hey, bro.
Bro, are you okay? We trying to make sure you living, bro. Are you good or not, bro?
Hey, bro, can you come clean up the counter?
Because he did just spit. You just spit all over our counter, my nigga.
Bro. It's like somebody threw up.
Bro, I don't know what was good with the Reese's. Maybe they was old. Maybe, I don't know, they was stale. Treacy bought them old ass Reese's, not me.
No, they said that they expired in 2012.
Oh, yeah, bro, you got food poisoning. You finna die. My nigga, RIP to my nigga, man.
Bro, for real, I can get food poisoning from that?
Yes, nigga, that's old cereal, bro.
R.I.P.
Bro, I can get
R.I.P.
food poisoning from that?
Hey,
R.I.P.
hey,
Oh,
what you
man.
just say, bro?
Bro, I can get food, bro. Stop, bro. I can get food poisoning.
Yes, bro, you can really die from that, bro. We finna sue them, bro. That's why I'm recording everything right now. We finna sue Reese's, bro. And Walmart, because Walmart was distributing the old ass. Boy, I'm mad right now, bro. My nigga finna.
Bro, how long do I got to live?
I don't know, bro. But you really need to go to the doctor and do some research or something because you just ate them old ass Reese's, bro. And now, I don't know if you finna have like the virus, the stomach flu, the swine flu, Ebola. I don't know, bro.
Bro, I can get Ebola from eating that.
Yes, bro. You can really get Ebola, bro. I know you can because it's a proven fact. Look up
I
on
don't
Google.
know what the world's
Ebola,
going
bro.
on.
For eating that?
Nigga,
Dog
clean
food?
this up off my counter.
Who brung this in here? Who brung the Tide in here?
Me, I told him to clean his mouth with that.
Oh yeah, bro. You probably need to take another dose of this, bro, because you don't want to like get that Ebola all up in your mouth and
Putting
stuff.
that in my mouth no more.
What do you mean, bro? Why did you,
Your little dumb self.
bro? You the one that's gonna die, not me.
My face, bro.
I'm just trying to help you, bro.
I'm calling Reese here.
So dirty ass.
Shoot, over here wasting my detergent if you ain't gonna drink it. Call Reese's headquarters, Trey, because
Stay, waste your detergent if I ain't gonna drink it. Nigga, you drink it.
I'm trying to help you out. You the one that got Ebola in your mouth, bro.
Bro, stop saying that.
Okay, I'm sorry, bro, but you can really catch the swine flu too, bro. I heard you can catch a lot of diseases just eating old food, bro.
I think they number
I think you can even catch HIV, bro.
REESES.
And an STD, bro. I heard you can catch herpes, bro, from like eating old food.
You mine now, bro.
1-800.
No, I'm not, bro.
Come
It's a
on
proven
now.
fact. Google
Really?
it. Google it, bro. Ooh, bro, your tongue finna fall off. You feel it?
What that mean when my tongue about to hurt?
Can you feel it?
Bro, your tongue going numb. Oh my, his taste buds is wearing off, Trey. From that, he can't taste nothing no
What
more.
that mean though?
Bro, I think it means this. Look.
Take him another dose of that.
No, I really think it means clean this up, though, bro. It's saying it's gonna stain our counter.
Yeah, you really need to clean that up, bro, because you don't want this stuff to stain our counter, bro. We really care about our home.
Boy,
In our place of living.
Bro, what?
You not finna die, bro. We just gotta take you to the hospital, bro. Get you some cheese, yeah. Can you taste the cheese? Can you taste the cheese, bro? You can taste it?
Why would you eat that?
He trying to make sure his taste buds still good, my nigga. Why are you asking him why is he eating it?
Hey, you don't.
Oh, man.
I asked you.
Okay, my bad, bro. You right, but I was just trying to make.
Yo, bro. Is that dog food, bro?
Bro, that's,
No, it's Reese's.
Bro, we don't have a dog no more.
So why would we still have dog food? That's what we trying to understand.
Bro, this is Reese's, bro?
Yeah. Ooh, bro, why they triangle? Why they triangular?
Papi Chow, doctor. Listen, bro, it's a prank, bruh.
Let me see.
Bro, what you mean let you see, bro? Move back, bro. No, bro. Move back, bro. It's just a little dog chow, bro, from my puppy.
I can't let them see? Okay, cool, boom. Dog child, now let me see.
No, bro.
Why can't I see?
Because, bro, why are you trying to throw stuff at me, bro? And it wasn't my...
Why can't I see, bro?
Bro, it wasn't my idea, bro.
That's your problem, bro.
What's my problem? It wasn't my idea, bro. Why are you sitting there getting mad at me? Bro, come on, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, come on, bro. This y'all camera, bro. Bro, why you want to play so much, bro? It's not that serious. It's just a little dog chow, bro.
Bro, I swallowed that, bro.
You swallowed it, bro?
What happens if I get linophagitis?
Pneumatitis. What the heck is
Off eating
that?
a little dog food, bro. Dogs eat what humans eat, and humans eat what dogs eat. You good, bro? We still a family? You still love me?
What type of nigga, bro? What type of nigga is you, bro? I can get Ebola from that.
He can get Ebola. Proven fact.
Bro, can you just hurry up and clean it up?
Man, shut up. Talk to me, boy.
So I know, you got over here
Like
on
you
bro.
when I'm 8.
It's nothing wrong with eating a little Purina dog chow, bro. He mad because he just ate dog food, bro. You shouldn't tell people to make your food. You should get up and stop being lazy. Stop being lazy. 2K18. We starting the movement.
I being lazy and punch you in your jaw.
Bro, why you gotta be mad, bro? Clean that up, bro. You still got a little something right here, bro. We don't need all that on our counter. It's gonna stain, okay?
To be for real, I ain't finna clean nothing, bro. Keep talking to me.
All right, bro. My bad.
You finna shut up, nigga.
He in his feelings, guys.
get
So
off me, nigga,
into
bro. I'm
his
just-
feelings.
Trying to show you a little love, bro.
Stop grabbing on me, nigga.
I was showing you love, bro. It's a difference than grabbing on you than showing you love. I love you, bro.
Sentimental ass on.
Bro, I was just trying to show you love. You the one that's mad. You need love when you mad, bro. Trey, come give him a hug, bro. Come give your brother a hug, bro. Because he's sitting here in his feelings. And maybe he needs his brother love right now, bro. I think that's what it is. He needs his brother love right now.
Come here, bro. Open up, bro.
I think you need to, bro, watch out.
That nigga breath hot right.
Bro.
Smile!
Shit at your little dirty ass. You need some of that on your nasty ass body.
Bro, I'm clean, bro.
Is he mad, bro?
I'm free from all STDs.
Armeezy, bro.
Man.
Shut up.
You can't lie. It was a good prank, bro. You just mad because you got.
Bro, get on my face.
It's a good prank, bro.
What your Erica Badu daughter looking at?
Hey, bro. Y'all know what to do, man. My man's mad right now because he ate the dog food, the puppy chow, the dog chow, whatever it is, man. But listen, tell him what to do, Treasy.
Go subscribe to us.
Oh, nigga, it's your channel. It's your channel.
Oh, it is? Oh. Subscribe to Jazz, you know what I'm saying? Link to her. Say it, Jazz. I can't remember.
Man, go subscribe to me. Link is in the description down below. Make sure y'all go and subscribe to Armani Trey. If y'all not subscribed, comment, like, hit that thumbs up. Y'all already know what it is, man. Make sure y'all, bro, stop playing, bro. Make sure y'all go and follow Armani Trey on Instagram at Armani and Trey. That's
ARMOMMA. Yo, mama.
Oh, man.
Hey.
Bro, move.
Look. Hey.
Bro, stop moving. You can't.
MONANDTREY. Hey, y'all, my mom was gonna name me Gregory.
for real. I'm glad she named you Trey. But until next time, you know what I'm saying? Y'all comment them pranks y'all want us to do on each other down below because we watch it and we scoping. And remember, man, she for everybody. Shawty, she for everybody. She for everybody. And she's coming your way.
Yeah. She for everybody.
What? What?
Chuck the drugs in my room, showing lots of.
Hey.
That girl is poison with a body to smile. She riding smooth like a Lexus, but it's coming with miles. She for everybody.
What? A super thigh.
Hey, hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, you guys. Hope you enjoy the video, you guys. See you next time. See you for the next video. And peace.
It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold